dusty road.
Have you ever seen someone with a style that's both artistic and nostalgic, yet incredibly bold, and thought, how can I dress that cool?
On a notebook's lines.
If the answer is yes, let's dive into 5 effortlessly hipster outfits, perfect for any occasion. Whether it's grabbing a coffee, strolling through the city, enjoying live music, or attending a night out. Let's get started. A perfect outfit for a morning coffee or a relaxed weekend afternoon. A flannel shirt is an iconic hipster staple, paired with mom jeans for a laid-back feel, while a pair of Converse or Dr. Martens adds a touch of edginess.
Just the sound of you and me. Sing, oh wanderers, let it flow through the alleys, through the glow. Every mile, every sign leaves a story left behind.
When thrift shopping, comfort is key, but style shouldn't be compromised. An oversized knit sweater paired with loose-fitting trousers ensures effortless movement, while accessories like a beanie and a vintage leather bag complete the look with a unique touch.
Jackets, boots worn down, city sidewalks, vinyl sounds, a thrift store sweater, soft and torn, still the coziest ever worn.
An oversized blazer is a must-have for achieving that effortlessly artistic vibe. When styled with wide-leg pants or a midi skirt, the overall look remains polished yet relaxed, striking the perfect balance between elegance and free-spirited creativity.
A thrift store sweater, soft and torn, still the coziest ever worn. Oh, chasing echoes in the breeze, sunlight flickers through the trees, no need for maps, no place.
A band tee is essential for an indie concert, symbolizing personality and nostalgia. Pair it with skinny jeans and a biker jacket to create a bold, standout look that perfectly embodies hipster rock energy.
Every mile, every sign leaves a story left behind. Let the wind be our refrain, a melody we can't explain.
A simple slip dress, when layered with a long trench coat, instantly exudes sophistication and elegance. This outfit is perfect for cocktail nights or a romantic dinner, combining minimalism with an effortlessly chic aesthetic.
Let the wind be our refrain, a melody we can't explain.
And there you have it, 5 hipster-inspired outfits for every occasion. Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more stylish lookbooks. See you in the next video.